Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Today I'm only alone in the class. Can you skip for tomorrow?
Wait, I will ask my manager and I will inform you. Just wait for 1 minute. Yeah, yeah. My my manager said to continue the class because I will repeat the previous class only, previous class topic only. Okay. Just I will integrate them and I will try
Can
to.
you share some email?
Huh?
Some email addition, sir. On 4th day, yes.
Ida, can you hear me now? Okay. Uh, my manager said to continue the class and repeat the previous class only. Yeah. So that the remaining people can see the recording and they can continue with their practice. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. What are the doubts you have while you are doing the practice? You can ask me now. The same thing I will do in today's class also. You can see my screen, right?
Actually, on fourth day, it was said about inclusion of email ID, and when you repeat the old email ID, it shows like the email is already involved in it. But when I run the code, I didn't get the emails. It just entering the data, but it's not showing like the
Not
email
getting any
ID is
message,
not
right?
added. Yeah, yes. Sir.
I will repeat that one also, but today I'm going to create contact, and I think by tomorrow I will try to do registration, or else if it is possible I will do it today only. Okay, we'll repeat. We
Actually,
can
actually, I didn't listen yesterday's class due to some personal reasons. So, can you explain about yesterday's class?
about what
Yesterday's class, sir.
today's class.
Okay, sir, you can continue from today's work.
Okay.
I will see the
Chen.
recorded videos.
Yeah. Now, yesterday what we have done means just we have integrated our template with our project. Okay, we will have a template. Okay, I forgot to share this template in our group. I will share in today's class. Okay, I will share this template in today's class after this class in our group, so that you can integrate that template with your project. Okay, here nothing. Here we have to mention load static, and you have to load each and every CSS and JS files and images with these tags. Okay, this format. In yesterday's class, I have done for two HTML pages, and also I have separated header and footer, as we already discussed this header and footer, right? The same way I have separated them and have placed in my required pages. Today I'm going to do the same thing. Today I'm going to, sorry, see another project. Today I'm going to create some HTML pages. Which is the one we have done. Today project yesterday. Yeah, industry is our project. We have done this. I have loaded about page and index page. Now I am going to do contact page. Okay. In contact page, there is no need to load all these lines once again, because all the lines are same. First 70 based on template, you will have similar lines. In this template, I have 76 first 76 similar lines. So I'm going to remove all these 76 lines, and I'm going to include header, because in header I had all this code now. So I'm removing this. Just I will include dot HTML. And also you have to load static for each and every page. You have to load static. It will not work whether even though we will have that load static in header.html, but it will not include into this page. We have to load for every page, load static. Okay. In the same way, you have to add footer. I'm removing the last from 77th line to the last line. Just I will include footer.html. I have to include it. Okay, I have included footer.html. Now I have to create views and URLs for this. Def contact request return request contact.html empty cloud brackets. Now I have to create URLs for this. Contact view contact. I have created this also, and I have to mention this link in my header.html as we done in our previous project. Okay, here I am going to include by passing the link in my href in my anchor tag. Contact. I am going to run the page. I'm getting this error because I'm outside the project. Okay, if I want to go inside the project, just right click on this, open in terminal. If you click on explorer, it will go to file path. Okay, yeah, this is the page what we have done yesterday. By after loading, we will get like this. If not, just you will get the names and all. You will not get any image or CSS or all these colors and all. Okay, just you will get only this content. Okay, I have given home link, about link. I didn't give this service link. That's why I have not loaded that service page. That's why I'm not getting nothing over there. And contact. In contact, I am getting an empty space here. I'll try to remove that. But before that, I'll try to fill some data here, and I'll try to uh, post in my database. I click on set. Nothing there is nothing happening here. No action is taking place. Industry, right? Industry. Yeah, this is my DB name, but I have an old DB. That's why I will remove this DB. You can also empty the database, but I'm removing it. Okay, to show you once again. Industry. Create. No tables. If you go and if you go and tap here, you have to do migrations and make migrations. when you try to make migrations. Okay, here no changes have taken place. Just it will create some skeleton. Okay, if you migrate, it will create some inbuilt tables. Okay, if you do migrations, it's just a skeleton. You can't use the tables in your project. Okay, I have some inbuilt tables which is automatically created by Django. Now I'm going to create models for this. This is my contact page, right? This is my contact page. In my contact page, I have 4 fields. What are those 4 fields? Name, email, subject, and message. I have 4 names, no? Name, name, email, name subject, and name message. I have only 4 names. So I have to create models based on these 4 names. If you want to add more details also, you can add here. If you want to add like mobile or something like that, you can add here by keeping another input tag. You can copy the same line, and then you can do whatever you can add whatever the fields you want, you can add there. Okay, now I am going to create models for the names which are inbuilt, which are given by the template. Okay, I have 4 names: name, email, subject, and message. We'll create models. Okay, I'll take my class name as contact. Already we have done this. Contact models dot model name equal to models dot name is a character field, so you have to take character field, and if you take character field, you have to take max length for sure. Name email equal to models dot email field. There is no need to take any max length for this email field. Subject is also char field only. Sorry, char field only. We have to give max length for this subject. Well, we have used char field, and for message, you have to use models dot text field because it has to take data without limit. Okay, here we have set some limit up to 100 characters only it will allow. Okay, if you want to give a name to your table to display in our database, class meta table equal to, you want to give my table name as contact. If you don't give this, it will save as app name underscore model name. Okay, how it will save means industry app underscore contact, like that it will save. If you don't want like that, if you want to display some clearly, you have to use DB table name. Okay, models. After this, you have to do migrations. Make migrations. Migrate. Here you got create model contact. You have to create forms also. Okay, you have to create forms manually. There is no inbuilt forms Python file in our app. You have to create it manually. FORMS forms. Okay, in forms you have to import. We are using forms now. We have inbuilt library called forms in our Python. Okay, from in Django we have that. From Django import forms. We have a package called forms in our Django. Okay, you have to import it. Now I will create forms class contact form. As I've said that we have some rules to write class names and function names, right? Class name should be right like this only. You have to use capital. The class name should start with capital letter. If you have a different name, you have after that you have to give capital for that name. There you should not maintain any space or underscore in between these two words. Okay. Forms dot model form. The model. This model you have to import models from this app. Okay, from the dot models import dot. If you have 2 to 3 apps, you have to give the app name here. If not, you can use dot models. Okay, from dot models import models. Sorry, you have to import the model name. Okay, model name is contact. You have to give the same model name here. Whatever the model name you are going to use for your form, you have to mention that model. Fields equal to all. I want to take all fields, so I'm using underscore all underscore. You have to mention this in single or double quotes. FIELES. Okay. This is the way you have to write models and forms. Okay, we have done with models and forms. And also let's check, I have migrated now. I got my contact table and with the fields which I have given here, which are similar to my template, which I have in my HTML page. Now I'm going to create views for that because I want to write logic for my program now. The data should be saved in database. If request dot method equal to post form equal to, it will not get any suggestion because you have not imported the form into your views. So first of all, try to import forms into your views. Contact form, and also I will import model. Okay, from dot models import contact. Okay, if you try to give, now you will get suggestions. Okay, if you import the models or forms, then only you will get the suggestion. Okay, you can use easily. There is no file field my model, so I am using request.post here. Print. If you have any errors, try to print here itself. Form dot errors. If that form is valid, dot is valid, you have to save the form. Form dot save. It has to return to the same page. Okay, return render request contact dot html message contact posted. Okay, if not, it will go to the same page. If the data is not posted, it will go to the same page and it will display a message called HTML, and I will get a message contact not posted. Here we are not passing the data, we are passing a message. So you have to use double quotes to both the lines. Okay, contact not posted. Okay, have done with contact views. I'll go to contact.html and I'll check for it. In form tag, I have some classes. I'll remove the classes, IDs, action. I don't need all these. Okay, and also I don't need this class also. Okay, as we are using uh, form, we have to use CSRF token. And here, uh, is there any type? I'll check for it. Okay, I think I have type in my input box. Yeah, here it is. Okay, I have type text, type email, and type text here. There is no need of type for text area. So I think I am perfect in all aspects. I'll try to run the server and I'll try to post the data and I will check whether it is posting in my database or not. And also one thing I forgot to do, I forgot to pass message here. I'll pass message here. Message. I'll okay. I'll try to post the data. Contact. Once try to refresh the page. Okay, when you do any changes in your views or in your HTML pages, try to refresh it once. Okay. Name customer something subject test and message test and I'm clicking on set message. I got a message called contact posted and alignment has been disturbed here. Okay, now I will remove all this content. I don't want this content and this space also. Once I will go and check in my page. Okay, yeah, here I got here the data got posted. If you want to get the message, you have to use message in your views and also in your template. Then only the message will get displayed. Once try to do as you have a similar doubt in your registration page also. Try to do that. Okay. Now I'll try to remove this content, some Bangladesh, some mobile number and all. You have to remove it carefully. You have to check how where the div is starting and where the div is ending. Here, this is one content. Okay, support the email and okay, I'll remove this one first. Okay, I will remove this one first. Okay, the div started here and div ended here. Okay, I'm removing this. If I go and refresh it, the content has been removed, but here there is a home icon. I'll remove that. This is the icon place. Okay. And there is no matter between this div and this div, so there is no need of this also. Okay, this was totally removed here. Now we'll try to remove the remaining content. I am removing the whole content at a time. I am removing this content and this also. There is nothing between these two divs, so I am removing this also. Here also I have some map here, so I am removing this also. Now I'll go and check Okay, all the space and the content which I don't need has been removed, right? Now simply you can give data. Whatever the data you want, you can give here and you can post the data. For example, I'll post some dummy data here. Again, I will do the same thing. Yeah, contact has been posted. If you want to give the message some more in the upper place or lower area, you can give. Wherever you place that message tag, there will be message. The message will be displayed there only. Okay, wherever you want, you can keep that tag. Okay. Now, uh, this is about contact page. This is how we can post the data. Uh, but wait a minute. I'll try to. I'll make some changes in footer now. I want to remove all this content in my footer. Just I want to keep the this line only. I don't want all these. Okay, I will show you how to remove it. If you remove in one page, it will reflect in all the pages. You have same footer in this page, in contact page also. You will have same content. Now I will try to remove one by one footer. Yeah, I don't want this paragraph and this header tag also. Okay, I will remote. I don't want this I tag here, this heart symbol, and I don't want this anchor tag here, and I don't want this message and this line. Yeah, I'll go and check it once. Afterwards, I will do remaining modifications. Okay. Most of the content has been removed. I'll remove this also. I'll go to about page and I will check whether the changes here also same changes have been done. Here also same changes have been done. Okay, now I'll remove this content also. Mm, I'll remove this form. I don't want this form. So here the div is empty. I don't want this also. I don't want this symbols, Facebook, Twitter, and all. This div also. Okay. Yeah. Here I have only single line. Okay. Operated there 2024. All right. Result. I want this footer only. I don't want the remaining stuff and all. Okay. This page looks somewhat better, right? If here I have contact as an home links. If I click on this, I'll get an error because I have not given any URL passed here in this home. Now I will try to pass URLs over there. Yeah, here. In real time also, it will have some login links and all, right? URL text, and we have another link for contact. This don't give HTML pages in links. Okay, try to give URLs in the anchor tag. Okay. Contact. Yeah. If I click on this, it will go to home page. Like this, you can give whatever the links you want, you can give like this. Okay, if you click on contact, it will be in the same page because I have given contact link only. Okay. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain you how to do registration. The same thing I will do tomorrow also, but tomorrow I am going to explain login operation by giving that email, password, and both validations, and I will try to explain you how to do that login operation. Uh, most of you are not most of you. Only 1 or 2 persons are attending the class. Try to attend all the classes. Okay, don't skip the classes. You will not understand anything. Okay. Okay, then that's all about today's class. Do you have any doubts in today's class? Yeah. Okay. Do you have any doubts today's class? Try to attend yeah, tomorrow's class, all of you, because
Mostly people are preferring for the YouTube classes. That's why they are not attending this class.
okay, YouTube classes which are provided by us, right?
Yeah, mostly they are preferring that videos.
Okay, okay, that's okay. But if you try to listen in a live classes, then you can able to raise questions and you can ask your doubts, right?
But when we don't know then only we can raise our doubts, sir. But when you are conducting class, we can't do our process, sir. That's what when we are seeing the video and we are doing
Okay,
our
they are
session.
along with the video, they are trying to practice the sessions, right?
Yeah, sir,
Okay, okay,
but due to this app, we can't perform course. That's why we are watching the
okay,
video and
okay.
then we are writing the course. The app is not allowing to slide the view, sir.
Tomorrow I am going to explain some important topic now. Try to listen here and also you can listen in YouTube classes, okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, then have a nice day. Bye.